Using the dynamic search bar, you can perform a search from any page in Media Management. Here's how. Start by choosing a search configuration. These are all the default search configurations. Note that the All Search configuration searches all assets, folders, collections, and tags, but not users. Enter a search term. A wildcard is automatically applied after you enter the fourth character, provided your administrator enabled the search suggestion feature. 4 characters is the default value. Your administrator can configure this number. You can also add search operators such as and, or, and not to your search criteria. For example, we can filter our current search by adding not old to the search query. Assets that contain the keyword old in metadata or content are removed from our search results. From the dynamic search bar, you can click All Assets to see all returned assets in Gallery View. Preview the asset, download it, add it to a collection, copy its shortcut link, or open its detail view. Your search results may also return folders, collections, and tags. Click a tag to run a search for all assets with that tag. Notice that the chiclets have changed and reflect the new search. For more tips about refining searches, watch the How to Refine a Search video in this series. Click a folder or collection to open it. If you did not choose collections in the Look For list, collection results only appear in the dynamic search bar. If you chose collections in the Look For list, collection results appear in Gallery View and the dynamic search bar. For more information about saving searches, watch the How to Save a Search video in this series.